of a broken land. Amidst the cries and trembling hands, we rise up strong, our faith intact. For God is with us, He holds us fast. With every stone that we will raise, we see the Lord in every phase. Raise the walls, oh Lord, hear our prayer. Against every foe, we're your people prepared. May your spirit guide each step we take. Our hearts unshaken, no storm shall break. Though they mock and scheme to delay, our God is strong, He clears the way. In prayer and work, with courage we build. Guided by heaven, His plans fulfilled. Like Nehemiah, we will not fear. With sword and tool, we persevere. As the walls rise up, our homes will guard and lift your name, our mighty Lord. Raise the walls, oh Lord, hear our prayer. Our prayer against every foe, we're your people prepared. Go prepared. May your spirit guide each step we take. Our hearts unshaken, no storm shall break. No storm shall break. Like Nehemiah, we will not fear. With sword and tool, we persevere.